When the convertible is opened, the folding top is retracted into a stowage compartment in the luggage compartment. The stowage compartment lid is moved by means of a hinge. For servicing work on the folding top, the service literature describes defined folding top positions. To replace the folding top stowage compartment lid hinge, first of all, move the folding top into position 2. The next step is to disconnect the wiring harness plug. This film shows removal of the folding top stowage compartment lid hinge on the driver's side. Detach the wiring harness from the hinge. Secure the wiring harness to the stowage compartment lid using cable ties to protect it from damage. To simplify later adjustment of the stowage compartment lid, mark the position of the 4 stowage compartment lid fastening bolts prior to removal. Now detach the stowage compartment lid. To dismantle the stowage compartment, first unclip the sensor plug connection on both sides. Detach the guard plates on the right and left-hand sides. The stowage compartment is fastened with a total of 8 bolts. Undo and remove the bolts. Fold in the stowage compartment lid hinge. Once the stowage compartment lid has been removed, the luggage compartment can no longer be opened electrically. Therefore, use the emergency luggage compartment release to access the trim. Remove the body trim. Place the fuse box and folding top control module to one side. Do the same with the hydraulic pump. Remove the hydraulic cylinders on both sides. Undo 2 pins, including clips from each cylinder. Disconnect the electrical plug connector. Remove the 3 fastening bolts from the stowage compartment lid hinge. Detach the wiring harness from the hinge by unclipping the locking lug.